First, you need to sign in to Gmail account, then click on corner button, then scroll down. There will be an option of forms in purple color. Click on that option, then a window will open. There will be a plus icon, blank forms. Click on that icon, then a untitled form will open. You have to give a title there on top. Here I have given contact us. Now you can add many number of fields in this form, whatever information you want to collect from that particular form. Here I have added one field. Its name will be first name. If you want short answer type, you have to select short answer from this list. And if you want to make mandatory to this field, you have to on required field. Next, if you want to add one more field, you have to click on that plus form and you have to give title to next field. I have given last name. Another field I am going to create, that is mobile number. Many options are here. Date type of value, time value, whatever you want you can select. Now our form is ready. Here you can give form description. You need to click on publish button. Then here will be option anyone with the link. You have to click on publish. Your form is published. Now you can share this link with anyone. Anyone can fill this form. You need to copy that link and send in any social media group.